Good day everybody, here we would like to introduce the way to produce glow-in-the-dark acrylic paint. In principle, we need only water, transparent acrylic paint, and colored glow-in-the-dark powder. The water content is decisive for the color thickness. Together with the water, we suggest to mix the transparent acrylic paint with the glow-in-the-dark powder at a ratio of approximately 1:1. A little bit spirit is needed by mixing them until very homogeneous. Incubation for meanwhile might be considered to illuminate bubbles produced during the mixing procedure. It's ready for further application now. Hope you like our video presentation and feel free to contact us if you have any further questions. Enjoy! Bisous bisous!